for the Cascades and even into the northern Rockies. So looking at our Wednesday forecast, severe storms may be impacting Kansas City late Wednesday into early Thursday. It begins to cool down a little bit in Cheyenne at 55. Looking good for Philadelphia on Wednesday after a bit of severe weather we had on Tuesday. And the southeast looking great. Charlotte, mostly sunny, comfortable at 72. For Thursday, yeah, we still have the chance of rain for Billings, 61, even some showers in San Francisco. Do see Albuquerque at 77. More thunderstorms, St. Louis and Little Rock. Even Chicago, kind of a cool rain at 59 degrees, but the Northeast looks great. New York City, mostly sunny, but by Friday, we see the return of rain, even into Washington, D.C., with Atlanta seeing the chance of showers and storms with a storm approaching from the Midwest and Ohio Valley. Snow forecast. Now, very little accumulation likely for New York State, but I think the best chance to see any accumulating snow is in extreme northern Maine. Can't believe it. We are down and through Philadelphia, so claps of thunder here and there. But now the sun is once that high begins to slide offshore, it allows our next series of fronts to move in from the central plains. So here it is, nice, quiet looking Wednesday. But as the high moves offshore, in comes that next chance of rain. It starts late thunderstorms down there near Georgia as well. Overall, this front has not had a whole lot of moisture to work with, so it's not a blockbuster rain event for us in the east today. The front actually moves offshore rather quickly tonight, thus ending the chance of rain into the day tomorrow. So as we look at the southeast, yeah, we had those showers move on through the Carolinas. A few lightning strikes being noted just outside of Warner Robins, Macon, Georgia. And we're looking at all this to be eventually decreasing by the time we hit even daybreak tomorrow. So the front, it begins to swing offshore. Low pressure is very slow to clear New England, and maybe to the possibility of severe storms on the plain states come Wednesday evening. But speaking of severe storms, check this out. Yeah, we've had some storms develop in eastern Idaho. Some of these storms have been strong enough to produce damaging winds, a few power poles downed, and a few trees as well. So for eastern Idaho, moving into western Wyoming, Weather Nation, we love when you help us tell the weather story. After all, you let us know what's going on in your backyard. We have some great photos to share with you tonight of the recent severe storms nationwide. A lot of you have been sharing those on our Facebook page, and we encourage you to keep on doing that. It is true for the Four Corners region in 2 areas in Nevada, California, and across the upper Midwest. And behind this latest front, it is getting much colder. Detroit, for example, 24 degrees colder right into Friday. And then we start to see clearing heading into the weekend. So the total amount of rain could be actually a few tenths of an inch and most likely up to a ½ inch near Paducah and into Louisville. Rainfall amounts may drop off a little bit near D.C. with 2/10 of an inch of rain expected. Looking at Thursday, there it is. The shower thunderstorm chance begins to increase, more likely late Thursday into early Friday near Jackson and Knoxville. And that front will eventually impact the Carolinas and the Virginias. And because it's slow to get out of the region, we will see some lingering wraparound moisture on the back side of that low, such that a little bit of rain likely for Boston, Hartford maybe, but further north you go, some snow showers.